So, the Huawei Mate X is soon getting a successor in the form of Huawei Mate X2. Huawei had also released a tweaked version of the Mate X dubbed as Huawei Mate Xs last year. The Huawei Mate X and the Mate Xs showcased an outward folding design, but reports are hinting towards a design change in the upcoming generation of this foldable device. Huawei recently confirmed that the next generation Mate X foldable smartphone, dubbed as Huawei Mate X2, will be officially launched in China on 22 February. Ahead of the launch, some information about its components has surfaced online. But before further ado, if you do end up liking what you see here, please consider subscribing and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Now let's get back to the video. So, recently, it was rumored that the Huawei Mate X2 may have sourced display panels from two companies, Samsung and BOE. But now, a new report, citing sources from the supply chain, confirms that the screen for the smartphone is exclusively being offered by BOE, and there's no role of Samsung. The report further adds that the South Korean giant has not yet received a special license from the United States Department of Commerce for doing business with Huawei. Thus, the company cannot supply display panels to Huawei for the Mate X2 smartphone. So, Huawei has said that its upcoming foldable phone, Huawei Mate X2, will be powered by Kirin 9000 chipset. This was announced by the company in a post on the Chinese microblogging site, Weibo. The upcoming smartphone is confirmed to come powered by the Kirin 9000 SoC, which is probably the last flagship chipset from Huawei HiSilicon for the time being. Given that the company has a limited quantity of Kirin 9000 SoC available, it remains to be seen if Huawei launches this smartphone as a limited edition. A render was also posted on Weibo by Digital Chat Station, which shows the device in its folded and unfolded states. In the former, the phone looks like the Xperia 1 Mark II, with a pill-shaped punch hole for dual front-facing cameras. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Huawei Mate X2? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.